Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we're discussing the topic that's been creating a lot of buzz in the world of investing. Best AI stocks to buy now to secure your financial future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you won't want to miss this valuable information. What are AI stocks? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are AI stocks? AI stocks are shares in companies that are at the forefront of the artificial intelligence revolution. These companies are harnessing the power of AI to innovate, disrupt industries, and drive growth. Think of them as a way to invest in the future of technology. How to buy AI stocks. Now that we know what AI stocks are, how can you buy them? It's easier than you might think. You'll need a brokerage account, and once you have one, you can start buying AI stocks just like you would with any other stock. Research the companies, place your orders, and you're on your way to becoming an AI stock investor. The million-dollar question, should you buy AI stocks? Well, it depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. AI stocks have enormous growth potential, but they also come with risks. Like any investment, it's essential to carefully consider your financial situation and objectives before diving in. Which AI stocks you should buy? So, which AI stocks should you consider buying? While I can't provide specific financial advice, I can point you in the right direction. Look for companies with a strong track record in AI innovation, solid financials, and a competitive edge in the industry. Let's discuss some of the giants in the AI space. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA is renowned for its high-performance graphics processing units, GPUs, making it a front-runner in AI hardware. Its involvement in AI applications like autonomous vehicles and data centers positions it for continued growth. Alphabet Inc. Google's parent company, Alphabet, is a trailblazer in AI research and development. Google's AI-driven products and services continue to dominate the market. Amazon.com Inc. Amazon's AI technology fuels its e-commerce recommendation engine and the ubiquitous Alexa voice assistant. Additionally, its cloud computing division, AWS, offers an array of AI services. Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft's Azure platform provides a wide range of AI services tailored to businesses. It's an excellent choice for those looking to invest in AI through cloud computing. Tesla Inc. Tesla is disrupting the automotive industry with its AI-driven self-driving technology. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, Tesla's AI expertise could be a game changer. C3.ai. It is a software company that develops AI-powered applications for businesses. C3. AI's applications are used in a variety of industries, including oil and gas, manufacturing, and healthcare. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI stocks represent an exciting investment opportunity in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. They offer the potential for substantial growth, but it's crucial to do your due diligence and consider your risk tolerance. If you decide to invest in AI stocks, be sure to diversify your portfolio and consult with a financial advisor if needed. That wraps up our discussion on the best AI stocks to buy now. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's essential to stay informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable insights on finance and investing. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.